Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I want to give a shout out to Alfie from EBL. This one's the EBL charger with the batteries. It is a AA battery charger and then AA batteries. There's a 2800 milliamp 4-piece and then AAA rechargeable battery 4-piece, durable and long-lasting battery. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing and then check it out. By the way, I'll be including the link that is going to show you within the description, so you can check out the item. You know, the Christmas is coming soon and fast, so be sure to grab this for the Christmas gift coming up. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, look at this. Pretty small and then compact, and allow you to charge up to 8 batteries. Wow, and then it comes with the case. And it has a EBL company logo right there on the top of the clear case on both. And this is a AAA. This is a AA. So the AA, it is 2800 mAh, and then AAA, it is 1100. Wow. Normally I see the bigger case, and I haven't seen the smaller case before, so this is the first time. So let's go ahead and take the charger out first. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So you can use it for mouse, camera, or headphones, or if you have a gaming control pad, or another digital camera, or if you have a radio. Last time they sent me the 18650 lithium-ion battery charger. That one was pretty nice, and then you could also use that as a power bank. So it is a smart charger. It says indoor. Automatic, AC, environment, intelligent, cycle, safety, and then charging. So that's why it is called a smart charger. And here are the feature and then cautions. And it is made in China. Go ahead and unbox this real quick. So it comes with this AC charging cable. Come with the charger. And then your instruction manual. And then the thank you card. Pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and check it out real quick. Wow. So the positive will be up there, and then the negative. The upper row, it is for the AA battery, and then the bottom row is for the AAA battery. So here is the charging adapter right there, and if it fits either directions. Yeah, either way. Let's go ahead and test it out real quick. There's a QC sticker right there, quality control. go ahead and open this up. Oh, it is sealed. So unfortunately, the case is broken, probably due to shipping. So maybe I could just use a clear tape to tape it back up on this section right there. So here's the battery. It feels quite heavy, which is good because sometimes they put the 2800 mAh and it feels light. That means those are the fake 2800 mAh. So this one is the low cells discharge technology, and it is 1.2 volt. And then the battery is made in China. So let's go ahead and test this out real quick. So just it's pretty easy to put in. I gotta check and see if they charge by twos in a pair or if you can charge individually. So let's go ahead and open this one, the AAA. So this one is not broken, thank God. So this is 1100 mAh. So I'll be putting toward the bottom first, like that. So it's kind of slanted, okay? Just like the Panasonic or the Eneloop or the Sanyo. So it's good to have a different groove right there on the contact point, which is allow you to adjust to different angle and stuff like that. You don't need to press down too hard. Okay. So let's try them on, and then I'm going to take it out, one of it, and see if the light stays on. If it does not stays on, that means you got to charge in a pair. All right, so we're over here by the plug area. I'm going to make this wire longer, and then I'm going to plug it in and see if it's going to charge a pair or single. So I plug in already, and it lit up orange color or amber color. I'm going to remove one. Oh, unfortunately, you need to charge this in a pair of two. Okay, so you need to charge in a pair of twos. You cannot charge it individually because once you remove it, it turns green. So that means when it is fully charged, the LED is going to turn into green instead of staying like a amber or the orange color. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. But be sure to check out the link within the description. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.